Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Geography of Karnataka series. Today's topic is Mineral Resources of Karnataka. Mineral resources form part of economic geography of Karnataka. So let me first give you a brief about classification of mineral resources. So how are usually minerals divided? Minerals are divided into two types: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. What are metallic minerals? It is primarily valued for their metal content. Metallic minerals are like, what are the examples? Gold, silver, copper, iron ore, zinc, aluminium, which exhibit a characteristic of metallic luster, and it usually has high electrical and thermal conductivity. So these are the characteristics for what we call as metallic minerals. One more thing is they are economically significant and used in industries such as construction, manufacturing, and transportation. The second type of minerals are non-metallic minerals. So non-metallic minerals, they lack metallic content obviously and luster. And non-metallic minerals examples are quartz, feldspar, mica, calcite, diamond, limestone, graphite. All these are some of the examples of non-metallic minerals. So these minerals are generally brittle and lack malleability and ductility. That is, and also has lower electrical and thermal conductivity. So this is what differentiate metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic, they are economically very significant, has high electrical and thermal conductivity, and are metallic luster. They have something called as metallic luster in them. Whereas non-metallic, they are generally brittle in characteristic and they lack malleability and ductility, and they also have lower electrical and thermal conductivity. These are the first division of minerals. Now metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. What are ferrous? Ferrous minerals are mainly constituted by iron content. Iron content in them, iron ores, iron material in it, ferrous material, then we call it as ferrous minerals. Example, iron ore. They also exhibit magnetic properties. They are strong and durable, but one of the limitations of these ferrous minerals are they are susceptible to rusting and corrosion when exposed to moisture. That is about the ferrous minerals. What are non-ferrous minerals? Of course, they lack iron content in them, which is the main constituent in ferrous minerals. Next, non-metallic minerals division. Non-metallic minerals are further divided into two types. One is the fuel minerals. Other is non-metallic minerals. What are fuel minerals? These are mineral fuels are essential for generation of power. Power is required in all the sectors of the economy. So mineral fuels are further divided into coal, petroleum, natural gas, nuclear energy minerals. So these are different mineral fuels. Coal is in solid form, petroleum is in liquid, and natural gas, of course, in gaseous forms. These are the divisions of fuel mineral fuels. And other non-metallic minerals include examples like mica, limestone, graphite. So these are non-metallic minerals. For a non-metallic mineral, they're very brittle and lack malleability and ductility. They are often widely distributed in various geographical formations, the non-metallic minerals. Now, we have studied about the division of minerals. We just looked in briefly about it. Before I enter to mineral resources of Karnataka, we will give you a brief about mineral resources of India as a whole. So these are the different belts. The ones that are marked are different belts where the minerals are found in Karnataka. Northeastern Peninsular Belt. It includes something known as Chota Nagpur Plateau, and it is renowned India's mineral heartland as well. Which are the major states? Chota Nagpur Plateau lies in especially Jharkhand and other neighboring states like Odisha Plateau, West Bengal, parts of Chhattisgarh. This entire region is rich in minerals. Which are the minerals that can be found here? We see that coal, manganese, iron, bauxite, and mica are prominent minerals found in the first region, that is Northeast Peninsula Belt. Next, we have the second one, that is the Central Belt. Central Belt, which are the minerals that we find here? So we already marked. Copper is one of the important minerals that can be seen here, followed by manganese, bauxite, limestone, marble, some amounts of coal as well, iron and graphite are all found in these central belts. Which are the states? States like Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra, and Maharashtra come under the second belt, that is the central belt. Next, we go to the third belt, that is known as the southern belt. It contains ferrous minerals, southern belt. It contains ferrous mineral resource, but it does not have any coal reserves. The southern belt, the southwestern belt, the next one, both does not have any coal reserves, but it has ferrous minerals. There are two plateaus here where it can be found, that is Karnataka plateau and Tamil Nadu upland, where we can find this region is Karnataka plateau and this is the Tamil Nadu upland region. Both these places we have ferrous minerals. Usually, which are the minerals that can be seen here? Some places we see iron ore and includes gold. Gold is majorly found in this southern belt. Next, we have southwestern belt, which is also rich in iron ore, granite, and clay. This includes western Karnataka as well as Goa and some parts of Maharashtra as well. This is the southwestern belt, rich in iron ore as well as other minerals like bauxite and manganese. Next, we have the northwestern belt. Okay, the northwestern belt. It is rich in non-ferrous metals such as copper, lead, zinc, along with uranium, mica, beryllium. So these are some of the important belts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 belts in India. We also have a northeastern Indian belt. Okay, here the last one where we can find some of the Assam oil fields are there in this region. That is, coal and oil fields can be found in the last region. That is the sixth belt. So India as a whole has around 6 belts. The most important one is the first belt, which is the heartland of all the minerals. That is coal, iron ore, copper, bauxite, manganese. All of them can be found in this belt. The second important one, of course, the southern and the southwestern belts, where we find rich iron ore. And it is here that we are going to study the Karnataka's mineral reserves. Since Karnataka lies in these two regions, so we will study what are the mineral reserves that can be found at Karnataka. All right. Without further ado, let me start the mineral resources of Karnataka. Start with the introduction first. So, Karnataka. Karnataka, being a part of ancient Gondwana land, is known for variety of minerals. Okay. So, the Karnataka has established during the colonial era itself, a geological survey department was established in the year 1880 to assess all the mineral resources of Karnataka, and they have done a detailed study where we have found that Karnataka has both metallic minerals as well as a few non-metallic minerals. However, Karnataka does not have any fuel minerals, that is, mineral fuels are absent in Karnataka. Now, let us start with what the Geological Survey Department has found out. Geological Survey Department has found that Karnataka has 140 mines out of 1430 mines that exist in India. And Karnataka is the third largest state in terms of minerals after Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat in terms of value. State is the sole producer of primary gold, feldsite, and other minerals, which we'll see now. So basically, 140 mines are present in Karnataka according to Geological Survey Department. Next, we see that was the map that we had studied. These are the mineral belts. 140 mines are present in this region of Karnataka. So which are the key minerals that we have found in this region? Key mineral reserves are, this are some stats that you can remember. Iron ore, around 70% of around 80% of India's magnetite iron ore reserves are present in Karnataka. Okay. Around 80% of India's vanadium reserves are present in Karnataka. Around 40% of India's tungsten reserves are present in Karnataka. And other significant minerals include asbestos, limestone, granite, manganese, dunite, and kyanite, which we'll study in the following slides. So basically, we have some rich mineral resources in Karnataka. Some of them to remember are iron ore, vanadium, tungsten. Okay. So these are the reserves that are present in Karnataka. But what is the production level? So, which are the important minerals produced in Karnataka? The first row here are the metallic minerals. It includes iron ore, gold, manganese, chromite, vanadium, and tungsten are the important metallic minerals produced in Karnataka. And some of the non-metallic mineral in small quantity that are produced are bauxite. The first one, the red color is bauxite, followed by this is a copper ore, followed by clay, limestone. We have rich limestone resources, however, okay, around I'll show you the stats as well. Followed by Shabat stones and ornamental stones. These are non-metallic minerals that are found in Karnataka. So the first row is the metallic minerals, the second row is the non-metallic minerals. Now, in terms of statistics, we can say that iron ore is the largest contributor to mineral production. So we see that of the if this makes up to 100% of mineral ores in terms of value produced in Karnataka, 74% of production value comes from iron itself, followed by 5% from gold, 5.5% from limestone, and manganese presents around 1.5%. The rest is the minor minerals, which constitute around 14%. Okay, so majority of the production in Karnataka is from the iron ore. Okay, this is the main fact. Now, this is from Karnataka's point of view. However, in terms of India's point of view, that is contribution to national mineral production, Karnataka contributes 14% of the total value of mineral production in India. 14% of total value of mineral production, and it ranks third in the country after Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan in terms of value. Okay, total value of mineral production. Is there any new discoveries that has happened in Karnataka in terms of minerals? Yes, there has been a research where lithium reserves are found in places of Mandya districts. Okay, that also we'll see in the further slides. So this is a quick introduction where we are trying to show that okay, there are some important minerals, metallic minerals, and few important non-metallic minerals that are produced in Karnataka. Let us now go through each of the important ones only. Okay, so you get a better idea of the regions where these minerals are produced and what are their uses. We'll start with the gold. The first one is gold. Quick overview of gold. Gold mining is not new to Karnataka. The large-scale gold mining has started in Karnataka in colonial era itself in the year 1871, where the British started operating something called as Oregam mines in KGF belt. Okay, in the KGF belt, the first gold mine was Oregam mines. However, through last 130 odd years, due to overproduction of gold from KGF mines are now closed in the year 2000 due to their declining gold production. So this was the first ore main gold field that was present in India itself, Kolar gold fields. So that's why even today, Karnataka is the leading producer of gold, contributing to 99% of the primary gold. So you must be asking now, after closing Karnataka goldfields, how is Karnataka still the leading producer? I will show you why. Before that, we should also remember that Karnataka is the only state where the gold is obtained directly from gold ore, that is primary gold. What happens in other states where gold is produced? It is a byproduct of copper production. Gold is a byproduct of copper production in other states, where gold comes directly from gold ore in Karnataka. All right. Now, a geological feature of gold reserve. Gold in Karnataka is primarily found in where? Dharwar schist. Okay, this is the region of Dharwar schists, which are geological formations of rich gold-bearing veins. Okay. So I just told you. So gold production in Karnataka is mainly found in Dharwad schist, and it is concentrated in several other districts as well. That is, we have gold reserves. Research has shown that gold reserves are present in the marked districts that you can see on your screen. This includes Raichur, Gadag, Hassan, Chittadurga, Dharwad, Kalburgi, Kolar, and Tumkur, to name a few. So this is where we can see that we still have some of the gold reserves. So what is the current gold mining activity? So I just told you that Karnataka is a leading producer of gold. How? Because Karnataka is still producing from the Hatti gold mines in Raichur district. Hatti operates at the depth of around 350 meters below the earth's surface and is one of the most promising gold reserves in the country. So it is estimated that in the Hatti gold mines, there is approximately 650 tons of gold reserves within 5 kilometers radius of Hatti. And presently around 3000 kg of gold is produced annually from the Hatti gold mines. Okay, So leading producer of gold in the country. So we also have explored some of the other regions where the gold can be found. They include the Mulgund and Kapattagudda places of Gadag district. Okay, and it can also be seen in the other districts which are marked here in yellow color. So Karnataka is still dominating in the production of gold and remains the largest producer of primary gold in India. This is about the gold. What are the use of gold? Of course, we don't have to tell the uses. It's mainly used in jewelry and ornamentation. And sometimes we also start investing in gold whenever the markets look very glim. So gold has multiple uses. The primary being the jewelry and ornamentation. All right. This is about a quick introduction to gold. So three things you should remember: the gold mines. The operative gold mine is the Hatti gold mine. Other probable reserves are the Kappatagudda and Mulgund in Gadag district. And these states, these districts which are marked, are the other regions where gold can be produced. Gold reserves are existing in these regions. Okay. So this is about brief of gold. So now let's go to the next mineral reserve, that is the most important one, iron ore. All right. Iron ore is the most important mineral produced in Karnataka. So I'll give you a few facts first. Okay. Few facts and then I will explain which are the regions as well. So iron ore accounts for 74% of the total value of minerals produced in Karnataka, which I showed you in the introduction slide also. So first point is 74% of total value of minerals from Karnataka. Second point, state is the leading producer of iron ore in India, contributing to 14% of total iron ore production in the country. So two facts here. One, iron ore accounts for 74% of mineral total value of minerals in Karnataka. Second, of the complete iron ore production in India, Karnataka contributes 14% to India's total production. Okay, India's total production. Third, Karnataka holds 35% of the total iron ore reserves of India. So Karnataka holds 35% of India's iron ore reserves. Fourth, 80% of the high grade iron ore, that is magnetite, is found in Karnataka. 80% of high grade magnetite ore is found in Karnataka. So these are the 4 points that we have to memorize. All right. Next, let us see the key iron ore mining areas of Karnataka. The first one is the Ballari and Hospet region. Ballari and Hospet region, that is the Sandur belt, has significant hematite as well as magnetite iron ores in Karnataka. Okay, so we can see through the pictures the mining extraction that has happened in the Ballari region. Next, we have the Chikmagalur district. It is the second largest iron ore reserve area, and the places include Baba Budangiri, Kemangundi, Kudremukh, Gangamula, Kalhatgiri, and so on. Baba Budangiri contains both magnetite and hematite ores across the 30 square kilometers area. Kudremukh also contains rich hematite ore and magnetite, but extraction is stopped in this area due to the presence of Kudremukh National Park. The third region was the Chitradurga and Hosturga region, Chitradurga district region, which includes key areas like Lakkihalli, Beam Samudra, among others. So then these three 4 districts marked in yellow are the primary regions where we find the iron ores in Karnataka. But we also have iron ore spread across Karnataka in other districts as well in a minor way. Which are these? The marked ones are the areas, that is Hassan district, Mandya district, and Mysore district. This region also has some amount of iron ore, especially found along Hassan, Mandya, Mysore, and the last one is Uttar Kannada as well. So these are the other 4 districts where iron is found in minor quantity. Okay. Anmod is also a very important area of iron ore in Uttar Kannada. All right. This is the places where iron ore can be seen in Karnataka. The next one is, what is the method in which iron ore is extracted? We follow open cast mining method, which is very cost effective, as the iron ores are generally found in the surface area itself. All right, this is one. Next, what are the exports? What do we do with this iron ore that is produced? Karnataka's iron ore is in high demand globally, particularly in countries like China, Japan, Korea, and other West Asian countries. So we export the magnetite ores to these regions whenever required. Now the most important one is, what are the uses of iron ore? Where do we use this iron ore? Iron ore is mainly used in steel production. All right. First important use of iron ore is steel production. So iron ore is melted in blast furnace to produce pig iron, which is then further processed to create steel. And where is steel used? It is almost used everywhere, like construction, transportation, manufacturing, and many other industries. So it becomes the backbone of growth of the country. So next is, it is also used in vehicle production. So it becomes a key component in production of vehicles like car bodies, engines, and other automotive parts. So this is the main use of iron ore. Next mineral after iron ore, let us study manganese. So manganese is also a metallic mineral, right? Ferrous metallic mineral. So it is the second most important ferrous mineral produced in Karnataka after iron ore. Karnataka is 4th in terms of manganese production. Okay. So which are the area where we find which are the mining areas in Karnataka? So we see that the Sandur belt, place exactly where even iron ore is present. The Sandur belt is in the district of Gadag. We Hospet. We find the manganese ore present. The other one is the Ramdurga belt as well. Ramdurga and Sandur are the largest producers of manganese ore in Karnataka. Other districts with manganese deposits are the ones which are marked in yellow. That includes Shivamogga, Tumkur, Durga, Davangere, and Uttar Kannada. So, but the demand for these manganese ore are presently a bit less. Okay, it's very limited. So, what we do, since the domestic demand is less, manganese is produced from Karnataka and exported to various countries where the demand exists. Now, moving on, what are the uses of manganese? So, manganese is primarily used in production of steel, batteries, and various other industrial applications. Okay, it is mainly with steel. So, whenever you want to strengthen a steel that is produced from iron ore, we use manganese as an alloy also. Okay. The other importance of manganese is in lithium ion batteries. It is used in the production of rechargeable lithium ion batteries. It is a key component in the cathodes of these batteries. So in the cathodes of these batteries, manganese is used. Next, manganese is also used as a fertilizer. It is an essential micronutrient for plants, and its compounds are used in fertilizers to promote healthy plant growth. All right. So agriculture, battery, and steel production are some of the primary uses of manganese. And the belt where it is produced, Bellary and Hospet region, that is Sandur and Ramdurga belts. Other regions where the other districts where manganese is seen, the distribution of deposits are these districts: Uttar Kannada, Chikmagalur, Chitradurga, Davangere, and Tumkur. All right. Let us see some of the other minerals. Okay. The next one is the copper. Copper, Karnataka does not have large deposits of copper compared to other minerals. All right. But there are some minor mining locations that includes 2 districts, that is Chitradurga and Hassan. In Chitradurga, where is it present? In Chitradurga, it is present in the Ingaldal site. Okay, Ingaldal is a site of processing plant of copper, and Kalyadi is a site in Hassan district. Kalyadi and Ingaldal related to copper mining. All right. Next, we go to, that's it about copper, because not much activity happens with respect to copper. So, but we need to understand what are the uses of copper. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity, which makes it the material of choice for electrical wiring and cables. It is widely used in power transmission, telecommunication, and all our electronic devices as well. The circuit boards in front of your laptops, in TV, in everything that is electronics has the copper in it, and hence its importance. The other places where copper is used in construction material. Okay, copper is used in construction, especially for plumbing, roofing, uh, where heating, ventilation, and air conditioning is required. Copper pipes are favored in plumbing due to their resistance to corrosion. Okay, they are resistant to corrosion, and hence we use copper. Additionally, copper alloys such as bronze and brass are used in architectural finishes and decorative items as well. Okay. Next, copper is, I've already told you, bronze and brass, right? This is the bronze and brass. Copper is alloyed with other metals like tin and zinc for wide range of applications. So whenever we say copper, we should remember one is electrical wiring and electronics. Second, it is also used as a alloy in bronze and brass. Okay. So that is how copper are used. All right. Now let's go to a non-metallic mineral, that is limestone. So the moment you hear limestone, you see this picture in front of you. So Karnataka is one of the states with large deposits of limestone. Karnataka ranks third in terms of limestone reserve after Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. So what is the most important thing about limestone is cement industry. Limestone is the principal raw material for cement industries, and hence significant portions of India's cement production is dependent upon limestone itself. So where is limestone produced? Where are the limestone deposits and mining areas in Karnataka? It is mainly produced in Kalburgi district. Kalburgi is home to largest limestone deposits in Karnataka, followed by Shahabad region. Okay, Shahabad in Kalburgi. There are four to five important areas. They include Shahabad, Wadi, Malkheda, Sedam, and Kurkunta. All this in the Kalburgi district itself. The other district where limestone is present is Tumkur. Ammasandra and Sadarahalli are two places where are the two important key manufacturing cement sites in Tumkur. So two districts, when you hear limestone, one is Kalburgi, second is Tumkur. And what are the uses of limestone? I've already told you the primary use of limestone is in cement production, right? It's a key raw material, but there are other use of limestone as well. Second, it is used as in agriculture as soil conditioner. That is, ground limestone is commonly used to improve soil quality by raising its pH level. So, one, it is used as in cement production. Two, it is used as a soil conditioner. Three, it is used as a flue gas desulfurization. That is, it is used in treatment of harmful gases, especially sulfur dioxide. Fourth, it is also used in the treatment of contaminated water. So water treatment also happens with the use of limestone. So these are the four important industrial uses of limestone. All right, moving on. Let us go to the next mineral, that is bauxite. See, all these places are still marked so that you can pause this video and remember all of them. That is We started with gold, so gold mines are still present. Then we moved on to iron ore, so the black ones are the iron ore. Next, we went to copper or manganese, so Sandur is again the same place where manganese is there. Next, we studied limestone, so the blue ones are the limestone areas. So we are trying to keep all the places in front of you so you can memorize them at any point. Moving on, we are studying about the bauxite reserves. Bauxite, whenever you hear bauxite, it is a principal ore of aluminium, right? Aluminium means bauxite. So, where is it present in Karnataka? It is mainly present in the districts of Belgavi. Karnataka's primary source of bauxite is Belgavi district itself. And which are the other districts where we can find bauxites? We find it in other places like Uttar Kannada, Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, Chikmagalur, and Kolar as well. Okay. These are the other places where it can be seen. In Karnataka, only in Belgaum we have higher reserves, bauxite reserves. So that is it. Odisha and Gujarat have higher reserves of bauxite. What are the uses of bauxite? It is, as I told, primary use is aluminium production. So we follow a procedure known as Bayer process, as you can see here, which separates the aluminum oxides from the impurities. Then the alumina that comes out is then smelted using electrolysis to produce aluminium metal. So this is the process from where bauxite ore we produce aluminium. And aluminium has a lot of industrial uses like aerospace, automation, packing, construction, light construction, corrosion resistant, memory due to its hardness. So two uses, one in aluminium production, second in abrasive materials. Two main uses. It is also used in other places like ceramics and stuff, but these are the two main uses of bauxite ore. Next, we start with the less important one, the granite. Karnataka is known for producing variety of granites. So which are the variety of granites that are produced in Karnataka? We have the black granite, we have the green granite, and we also have pink granites. And which are the key areas where granite is produced? Mysore, Chamrajnagar, Bagalkot, Ballari, Bangalore rural, and Ramnagar are major places where granite is produced. Karnataka is also one of the leading exporter of granites in India. Okay, leading exporter of granite. Next, what are the uses of granite? Of course, it's used in construction and building materials only. Construction and building materials, we use granite. That is about the granite that is we have. In the initial discussion, we are told that research and we have found that there are some lithium reserves in Karnataka as well, right? So that is why this small slide on lithium. Lithium is mainly used where? In manufacturing of rechargeable batteries, which are essential in EV, in laptops, in mobile phones. So these are lithium ion batteries which are used in almost all the important devices like medical device, phones, laptops, your camera, heavy vehicles. So all EV vehicles need lithium ion, and hence we had done a research where in Karnataka we have found some amount of lithium in the district of. So in Mandya district, we have found some amount of lithium. Also in Yadgir district, we have noticed some minor deposits of lithium in these two. However, there is no production that has yet happened. We have only identified these places. Globally, which are the places where lithium is majorly found? We have seen it in Bolivia, Argentina, and China are some of the major producers of lithium around the world. Bolivia, Argentina, and China. All right. So we have already studied the use of lithium, right? We just showed batteries, all the lithium ion batteries in car. So this marks the summary of all the minerals that are majorly produced in Karnataka. So we started the lecture with a brief overview of mineral division. Then we gave you a brief overview of minerals of India. Then we came to Karnataka and gave you a quick introduction as well as shown you which are the places the important minerals of Karnataka can be seen. They include gold, iron ore, manganese, copper, limestone, some minute deposits of bauxites followed by granite, and a new research into lithium. So this marks the end of the mineral resource of Karnataka episode. Thank you.